Have you ever paused to wonder where love originated from? Love, as we understand it, is not confined to the human heart, but extends far beyond into the cosmos. It's an energy, an ethereal force that envelops the universe, a universal thread that weaves through every atom, every star, and every galaxy. Consider this: love isn't merely an emotion we experience, it's a cosmic force that binds us all, connecting us from the smallest particle to the largest celestial body. It's in the sun's warmth, the moon's glow, the stars' twinkle, and the cosmos' endless expanse. Love is the invisible glue that holds everything together, whispering the symphony of existence into every corner of the universe. And if we look closer, we'd see it's not just about romantic love. It's compassion, kindness, empathy, and understanding. It's the very essence of life itself. So, if love is a cosmic force, what does that mean for us as individuals? When we think about love in a cosmic sense, it brings us to the realm of spirituality. It's an intriguing notion, isn't it? The idea that love, the very emotion that binds us together, is an intrinsic part of the spiritual fabric that weaves the universe together. Let's delve a little deeper. Many spiritual traditions around the world believe in the concept of a divine force, a higher power, a god, if you will, that permeates every atom of our existence. And interestingly, this divine force is fundamentally conceived as one of love, a love that's pure, unconditional, and infinite. It transcends the physical and touches the ethereal, connecting us to something larger, something beyond our comprehension. Imagine for a moment every grain of sand on a beach, every leaf on a tree, every star in the night sky pulsating with this divine love. And now imagine that this divine love is not just around us, but within us. As we breathe, as we live, as we love, we're expressing this divine energy, this spiritual love that binds the cosmos together. Embracing this view can lead to a profound sense of spiritual awakening. It allows us to see beyond the superficial differences, the physical barriers, the transient conflicts. We start to see the world and ourselves through the lens of love. Our actions become kinder, our words become softer, our hearts become larger. This spiritual awakening is not a destination, but a journey of self-discovery, of understanding, of love. As we embark on this journey, we realize that we are not just physical beings in a material world, but spiritual beings in a cosmos infused with love. So if love is the energy of the cosmos, and if this energy is within us, then aren't we all connected through love? A connection that transcends space, time, and physicality. A connection that's spiritual, divine, and eternal. If love is the energy of the cosmos, and this energy is within us, then we are all connected through love. Now let's consider love and the soul. Imagine a flame flickering with life, burning with an energy that is as old as time itself. This is the soul, an energy that is eternal, that carries the essence of who we are and what we love. The soul is not confined by physicality or mortality. It exists beyond the boundaries of life and death, and in its journey, it carries the energy of love. Love, in its purest form, is not merely a fleeting emotion or a transient feeling. It is an energy, a force that permeates the universe. It is the energy that fuels the soul, that gives it life and purpose. And just as the soul is eternal, so is this love. It does not cease with physical death, but continues, transcending the boundaries of mortality. Now consider the concept of soulmates or twin flames. These are souls that are bonded by love across different lifetimes. They are drawn to each other, not by physical attraction or shared interests, but by a deep spiritual connection. This connection is born out of love, a love that is so profound and so powerful that it transcends physical existence and spans across lifetimes. This idea of love transcending physical existence and continuing even after death may sound mystical or even fantastical, but it is an idea that has been embraced by many spiritual traditions around the world. It is the idea that love is not confined by the physical world, but is a universal force, an energy that is felt throughout the cosmos. The eternal nature of the soul and its connection with love further reinforces the idea that love is a universal force. It is a force that is not confined by physical boundaries, but is felt throughout the universe. It is the force that binds us all, the force that fuels our souls, the force that gives life its meaning. The eternal nature of the soul and its connection with love further reinforces the idea that love is a universal force. With this understanding of love, how can we apply it to our daily lives? Imagine this: embracing the cosmic nature of love, feeling its energy coursing through our veins every moment of our existence. This isn't just a beautiful sentiment, it's a powerful tool for transforming our lives. When we allow love to infuse our thoughts, actions, and interactions, we begin to exude positivity. This positivity is not just a mood, it's a way of living. It's like a domino effect. Positivity reduces stress and anxiety, leading to better health and well-being. It's a ripple that extends beyond us, touching those around us, contributing to the overall energy of the cosmos. It's not just about us, it's about everyone and everything. We become agents of love, spreading its energy wherever we go. In this way, love becomes more than an emotion. It becomes a lifestyle, a commitment, a journey towards becoming our best selves. When we live with love, we align ourselves with the energy of the cosmos. Let's take a moment to consider the power of love. There's a theory, supported by compelling evidence, that collective expressions of love, like mass prayers or meditations, can create a tangible impact on our world. This idea isn't just a spiritual concept, it's something that science has begun to explore. Consider a fascinating study conducted around the time of the September 11, 2001 terrorist attacks. Scientists had placed random number generators across our planet and found something astonishing. During the time when millions were united in prayer and love for the victims, the number generators, against all odds, began to display non-random patterns. This phenomenon suggests that our collective energies, particularly those of love and compassion, can influence the very fabric of reality. It's a fascinating glimpse into the inherent power of love. This is just one example of how the energy of love can ripple out and affect the world around us. So, where does love originate from? We've journeyed together through the essence of love, its spiritual significance, the soul's involvement, and its power to foster positivity. We've discovered that love is not merely an emotion, but a cosmic force, originating from the universe itself. Love is omnipresent, residing within each one of us and echoing through the cosmos. So next time you feel love, remember that you're connecting with the energy of the cosmos. You are a part of this universe, and the universe is a part of you.